Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to convert PDF file to Google Docs. Friends, due to some reason if you want to convert a PDF file to Google Docs, then you simply need to upload the file to your Google Drive. Like I have uploaded a PDF file on my Google Drive. Now I will open it in the folder. Now here is my PDF file. So first I will open it. So this is a form and it looks like this. Now to convert this PDF file to Google Docs, you simply need to right click on your PDF file, and after right clicking you need to click on open with Google Docs. Now it will open your PDF file in Google Docs and save a copy of the same in Google Docs format. Now it has opened the file in Google Docs format, and here you can edit the file. So friends, like this you can very easily convert your PDF file to Google Docs and can do the required corrections. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.